fuck.
Right, I need guys here now. I have the moped, they've done a runner, but I've got the bike.
Excuse, what's your location?
I'm at the graveyard, mate. In the graveyard.
Alright, get your live location on WhatsApp, mate. We're supersonic.
Harry, this is your bike, mate.
Yes.
Tell them.
It's my only way to get to work. Woke up Sunday morning, completely gone. And thank you to these guys, they've actually recovered it. Not in the best of bits, but thank God it's still here.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I was never expecting to see it. And then today, me and my dad actually purchased a new bike. So.
Okay, brilliant. At least you've got a new ride to work.
Yes.
At least you can get to bloody work now.
Yeah.
No, brilliant.
Yeah, exactly.
No problem. What are you going to do with that one now?
Got to have a laugh, think about that one now.
It just feels like it's been tarnished, doesn't it,
Yeah.
now? You know, it's been fucking raked.
Probably go for parts now, I suppose.
Yeah.
It's the only thing it can go for.
And it's going to go on your insurance now, isn't it?
No.
No?
No.
Okay.
Insurance has been cancelled.
Oh, has it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, brilliant. So you haven't lost out on that at least. But you have had to spend on a lot of money. Who's that?
Yeah, no, I saw that.
What?
I do appreciate that, because I couldn't get past.
Oh, right, okay. I will leave you to your night, mate.
Yeah,
All
thank
right,
you very
no worries.
much.
Just,
Yeah.
good luck.